Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Ricky Jones from Maven's Dev, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Profile Editor tab for MavenBot version 2 No Limit Hold'em Edition. So basically the first step, as always, is going to be to right click on our desktop shortcut and say Run as Administrator, or give it permission. Wait for the program to come up and connect. So in our last video we filled out all the connection info, and every time the program starts up it's actually going to connect now to the server. So if we had a problem, let's say you did not have your Poker Maven server on at the time, then you would receive an error here because it wouldn't be able to connect with this information. So we have all the information in, it's correct. Program comes up. Let's take a look at the Profile Editor. So basically what the Profile Editor does is it gives you a chance to define different profiles that tell the PokerBot how to play. The program comes with 4 default profiles: default, more aggressive, very aggressive, and tight. Let's just take a look at the default profile. We'll say load. So this is the pre-flop configuration. So it's what the bot does pre-flop. Pre-flop action here is when the win percentage is less than 30%, the bot's going to fold. It will call between 31 and 65%, or bet between 31 and 65%. And also it will raise pre-flop if it's got an 80% to 100% chance of winning. So basically all these tabs are pretty much the same. You're going to have 4 actions for each, for the flop, turn, and river. And what you can do is just go in and manipulate the percentages depending on how you want the bot to play. And it's kind of a guessing game. It's something where if you do not want to have the default profiles and you want to make it play, kind of the way that you want to, you're going to have to go in and do a little experimentation, work with the numbers a little bit, and kind of, play with it until you get the bot playing how you want it to play. So what we're going to do here is just, we're going to use the default profile. We've got it loaded already. And we're just gonna change some values here. This is very random. I'm not trying to do anything crazy here. Just we're just proving a point. So let's go flop. Who knows what this thing would do? Okay, so basically you'll go through each tab, move the sliders to the percentages that you want, and then when we get ready to save, we're going to type in a name here. We're just going to say my test profile, and then we're going to do save and update, and the profile is saved. So I think we may need to, I'm going to restart the program here real quick and see if that refreshes. Okay, so it does. So when we do that and say load profile, then it loads our custom profile in. And this can be used, this will be used on the next step when we actually create a new bot, and that'll be covered in the next video. Thanks for watching.